Caitlin. Hi. Say happy birthday, Nana. Yay, happy birthday. Give us a smile. Give us a smile. Hi. Give us a smile. Come on, give us a smile. Not a boot. Oh, well. What do we do? Come on. Come on. Glibby glop glooby nibby nubby dooby la 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 la. Yes, and she's wearing her favorite ladybug outfit. Hi, Grandma. Can you give Nana a big hug? Give Nana Sandy a big hug for her birthday? Come on. Here you go. Give us a, come on. Yeah. Come on, give us a smile. Give us a smile. Hi there. Hi there. She's like, what is this thing? Okay, we'll try.